In this lesson, we're going to learn a few more notes in the B-flat scale. We already know D, C, and B-flat. Let's learn a new note. This is E-flat. E-flat is in third position. Notice the distance from the beginning of the slide to the bell. That is third position. Be careful not to play it too sharp. Third position should be closer to the bell. And this is E-flat. We can blow at E-flat and D and C the same. Let's learn one more note. This one's easy. First position, F. Now, how do we play F and B flat in the same position? We can think about aiming at each individual note. The higher the note is, the more you need to blow at it faster. Remember the slow breath. That's good for lower notes. And a fast breath is good for higher notes. Somewhere in between, very slow and very fast, are these two notes. So if you think slower for the B flat, the lower note, and a little bit faster air for the next note. Make sure you aim. If you had a bow and arrow, you would have to steady the bow and arrow in order to aim. That's very important for us on the trombone, is learning how to aim the air to get the right notes to come out. Let me play an example that had those new notes: F, E flat, D, C, and B flat. Let's play these slowly, up and down. We are playing half notes on that exercise, and I'm taking special caution about when to breathe and how to articulate, because it all factors in to the big picture. I'm going to go twice as fast or play this scale in quarter notes. It's important to act like a robot with the slide hand, your right hand, so that positions go right where they belong. So this is a good exercise not only for articulation or tongue, not only for air, but also for the slide and learning the scale. Let me play it one more time. It takes a lot of practice, but you will get it eventually. The tongue is very important in this exercise, not to tongue too much or too little, but to tongue just a little bit, just like if you were talking to somebody and saying, da 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 da. No more tongue than that. So this is how we learn our first half of our new scale.